This video is for people who work in customer service, or if you aspire to work in customer service. What are the attributes of a very good customer service rep? Why would somebody leave one business and come to another business that offer the same service? The secret is customer service. Many people look at customer service and they don't really think seriously about it. Your customer service person or representative is the face of your business. And as employers, you must make your customer service reps happy. I know they work for you, but then your customer service rep is the face of your business. So this video is for employers of customer service reps and also for people who work in customer service. Customer service could be anywhere. It could be face-to-face, it could be virtual, it could be by telephone. It's very important because that is what the public sees. So if you work in customer service, what are the attributes of a good customer service representative? I'm going to list 10 things that would make you a very good customer service rep. And this is the thing that would make people keep on coming to patronize your business. 1, learn to smile. Smile genuinely, not a fake smile. Put up a good smile. And when people see your smile, that also makes them happy. And they smile back. From experience, I find that when you frown, whoever you're talking to becomes defensive. So learn to put on a smile, a genuine smile when you're serving your clients. 2, dress comfortably. If you're feeling uncomfortable, maybe you're too cold or you're too hot, then it's going to affect your quality of service. So make sure you are appropriately dressed for your business or for your job. If it's very hot, then put on nice cotton outfits that will keep you comfortable. If it's very cold, then you put on something like a sweater or a jersey, something that's going to keep some warmth in your body. 3, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of quality shoes. If you have to be on your feet many hours a day, and that is what happens for people who work in customer service, you're on your feet for many hours. Try to get appropriate footwear. If you're standing on your feet for so long in a day and you're wearing uncomfortable shoes, it's going to affect your quality of service. 4, if you have to answer the phone, don't let the phone keep on ringing and ringing. There are some businesses that are notorious for that. You call them, they never pick the phone. And even when they do, they say, oh, hold on. And they never get back to you. That is not good customer service. If you are not able to answer the phone or give the person your attention politely put them on hold. Tell them you're going to put them on hold, and you get back as soon as possible. If you have to keep somebody on hold for a long time, in between, come back and just apologize and say the reason why you have to keep them on hold. Before you pick the phone, put on a smile. Your smile is going to radiate in the call. If you are grumpy, it will show in your response. Try to be playful. Try to be playful and professional at the same time. 5, learn to listen. Listen to the people talking to you. It's either they're talking to you face to face, or they are on the phone with you. Whatever. Just listen. Because if you do not listen, then you don't even know what your client is looking for. So learn to listen to whatever is being told to you. 6, look at body language. Look at the person in front of you. Have eye contact and give them your full attention. The body language of the person talking to you tells you a lot about this person that is standing right in front of you. Sometimes people are looking sad. Sometimes they're looking happy. Don't be oblivious to the body language of the person standing in front of you or the person at the other end of the telephone. You may not be a psychologist, but just observing would put you in the mood. It could put you in the mood of playfulness or in the mood of, looking serious, depending on the body language of your client. 7, everybody is unique. Do not assume. Every customer is different. So, don't generalize. And do not look at people and judge them by their appearance. Sometimes, appearances could be very, very deceiving. So, treat everybody, as unique. Every client coming before you is unique. No two people are the same. 8, pay attention to detail. If you work in a sensitive place where you have to check people's records, be sure that you are dealing with the right person. And again, attention to detail. So, somebody is talking to you, somebody gives you their last name, and you just assume, it could be somebody else. Attention to detail is very, very important. 9, complete attention. Don't be distracted when you're dealing with a client. Don't be distracted. Don't be doing something else or just looking generally unserious. Make everybody feel special. I assure you, they will want to come back to your business. If this has resonated with you, if you like what I'm saying, I want you to comment. I want you to like my video. I want you to subscribe to my channel. That will be great. That will be greatly appreciated. And number 10, but not the least, remember, you need those clients to keep your job going. You need those clients to keep your business going. Without the clients, there is no business. Without the clients, there is no job. So if your job is important to you, if your business is important to you, remember, customer is king. And before I go, I want to talk to people who employ people in customer service also. Do not minimize the power of customer service. It is your customer service that is the face of your business. It is your customer agent or your customer representative that people see when they walk into your business. So it's important to take this part of your business as extremely vital for the survival of your business. Again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, drop comments, and let's rub minds over this matter of customer service. I want to thank you for your time, and I hope to see you soon.